Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are all well with your family members by the grace of Almighty Allah. And I'm welcoming you once again from my home. I'm thankful that you are watching my videos and classes with great intention. And those who are following my videos carefully can be benefited during their exam. So, in my videos, I try to give you a complete package that can help you in your exam. So welcome my dear students in my today's class, and this is class for only for class 10 paper 1. So I am request you to please bring your EFT book and open page 118. You can see the title of the topics today. This like lake boikal. It is sorry, it is from unit 8, that is world heritage. So you can easily find that it is a world heritage site. And lake boikal, lesson 4. So I want to request you to read the text carefully, please. And yes, you can take time to read the text. You can see the text, and I want to give you a summary. That is, in this text you can find the lake Baikal is the deepest and one of the biggest and most ancient lakes of the world, which is situated almost in the center of Asia. The lake is 636 km long and an average of 48 km wide. It covers 31,500 square kilometers. It's a vast area. So the average depth of it is 730 meters. The beauty of it is excellent and exceptional. Yes, we want to know about this text. So please read carefully, and you can see. I want to pay attention on your. I want to give you the vocabularies you will find in your text. So first one is deepest. It's an adjective, highest amount of depth, innermost. So before go through this text, you have to know the new vocabularies and the words and its form. So I want to give you this short and very much effective part of this text, that is vocabularies. So ancient, that another one is ancient as adjective, that means primitive, and antonym is modern. Then lake, it's a noun. You can see the meaning is lagoon. Gigantic, adjective of very great size or extent, and antonym is miniature. Enormous, adjective, it's an adjective, very large in size, huge or vast, and antonym is teeny or little. So next one is charming. Yeah, it's an adjective, very pleasing, amiable. Antonym is boring. Miracle, noun, it's an wonder and a normal. Autonomous. Yes, you can find this word in text, that is, and the last part of this first para, autonomous republic and region of Russia, and it means self-governed, and antonym is dependent or subservient. Okay, occupy is a verb and meaning is cover, and reserve is a noun, it means store. More words you have to know, that is depth, noun, a distance from the top to bottom. Maximum, adjective, most, and antonym is minimum. Basin, noun, a circular oval valley containing water, and surrounding, next one is surrounding, that is encircling, it's an adjective. Excellent, it's an adjective. Yeah, synonym is brilliant, and antonym is awful. Powerful, adjective, having great power, powerless. Filter, that's a verb. So it means to remove unwanted substance from an object. And antonym is contaminate. Yeah, carries, contaminated. Yeah, it's full of that antonyms. And stormy, it's an adjective. It's thunder. And antonym is moderate, calm. Depend, and it's a verb. Rely on, trusting. And bright, it's an adjective, or shining. A synonym is shining. Antonym is dark. So the learning outcomes that after we have studied this lesson, we'll able to listen for specific information. And number 2, can read and understand the text through silent reading. Yes, that's why I am giving you to read the text silently, and I am providing you the synonym, so it is very much important and very effective for you, and you can easily got the point, got the meaning of this text. And number 3, ask and answer question. I will provide you later. And describe a place. How can place describe? What is the main point? That is, you have to mention the name, its area, its length, its level from the sea level, and its size, and what its near geographical areas you have to mention. So in this way you can easily explain a particular area or region that is mentioned in the text. That is the purpose of the text, that is described. You can easily describe a place having with some information. I have told you that is the name, the area, which area it belongs, its length, wide, depth, or surroundings area, and what is its main thing. Okay, it's a surface, it's a huge reservoir of fresh surface water. Yes, its quality, it's and huge amount. And you can see the atmosphere, the springs in the surroundings area. Always there are hot spring. That's a very much important line in the para 4. In the first line, there are hot spring in the surroundings area of Lake Baikal. Yes, the quality of the water of 3 springs is excellent. So it is a particular this particular word that contains its quality, its beauty as a World Heritage Sites, and so it is recognized as World Heritage Site for today. And the quality, the water depends on the wind, north to south. Okay, it's another part is its weather is very bright. It's bright and sunny, and the water of the lake looks green and dark blue. So, but if the winds get stronger, Baikal turns black, waves rising high with white, white crest. So here, the crest. Yes. So I want to give you some questions. So after reading this text very much with great concern, you can easily answer this particular question. That is, you can see in my in the videos, that question number 1. Yes, you have to write question number 1. 7 questions containing 1 marks. It is equal to 7 marks. And first one is Lake Baikal is situated. Yes, you can easily get the answer now if you read the text carefully, my dear boys. And yes, it is nearly in the core of Asia. Which of the following words describe the spring best? Cool, moderate, animated, modern. Which one? Try to answer. Okay. Now, what do you think the best title of the text will be? Yes, about Lake Baikal. hot spring around lake. 3. Lake Baikal, the second none. And 4. Storms in Lake Baikal. Which of the following has the across meaning of the word cover? Retreat, compensate, safeguard, encompass. Which one? Try to answer. I will provide you the answer, but now you have to try. Okay. Another question, that Lake Baikal present unimpressive, engrossing, indecisive, repulsive view. What? You have to answer. You can easily answer. You can easily answer the question. That is, I guess it's, what? You want to go through which word? Unimpressive? No, it's not the right answer. Unimpressive. And engrossing, it's an adjective, Yes, this is the right answer. Absorbing all one's attention or interest. That is, represent its affection, okay, towards the visitors and the traveler. That it's engrossing, meaning absorbing all one's attention to or interest. Yes, I want to go through this answer, the engrossing. And if question number F, in the passage, hot spring refers to. Hot spring refers to which? Yes, a normal and natural flow of what? Groundwater. Yeah. And number G, which of the following has the closest meaning of the word ancient in the text? Magnificent, contemporary, antique, or stone. Yes, it is antique. Now it comes to fill in the blank. Question number 3. My dear students, remember one thing. You will be provided one particular text for particular this question. So you can first of all you can read the text very much carefully. But today I am going to take I want to get you this question from this same text. Okay, this same text. From this above text you can easily get the point. But in your exam you will have the another text to answer this particular question, and it has the 5 marks. Each gap contain 1 marks. So the world around us is very beautiful. God has made the world beautiful by giving us more dash of nature. The Lake Baikal is one of them. The natural beautiful lake is dash in the south of eastern Siberia. On the average it is 636 km long and 48 km wide. It is the best source of fresh dash water and 445 meters high from the sea level. There are some hot springs beside the Baikal lake. The water of the spring is very good in dash. The weather of the lake is dash by the wind. You have to answer this. Okay. So I have told you that you have to you have to answer in this way. There is answer to question number 1 A, and the answer question and the right one, that is nearly in the core of Asia, the first answer, and you have to write the second thing B in this way. Okay. And about question number 3, you have to answer in this way. Okay. So I will provide you the answer in your next class, and there is a notice for you. Be careful. We are going to take your MT, that's monthly test, from 9th July. and you will be notified the exam, and you have to answer within this time. Okay, so you will have 30 minutes for each class, and you have to answer within 30 minutes. Okay, so you have to provide your answer scripts, and later we will check your answer scripts. Okay, so my dear student, thank you for watching me till the end, and I hope you will be benefited, and be prepare yourself for MT, and thank you again. Allah Hafiz.